Upo nga muna tayo, napapagod na ako.
Ano ba yan? Ang bilis mo nang mapagod. I don't understand why you married an active guy.
Ikaw, maka-active ka. Parang di ka rin tinatamad sa bahay.
At sinagot mo pa rin ako.
Nga pala, malapit na yung Noche Buena. Ang laki pa naman ng event ng pamilya ninyo. Kinakabahan ako, first time ko sa Noche Buena ng family mo.
Huwag ka na mag-alala sa Noche Buena.
How can I not worry? Hindi lang kasama yung mother mo, yung father mo, yung buong Cruz family, kahit yung extended pinsan nyo, yung third cousin at lahat kasama. Ano kayang maluluto ko?
Alam mo naman, any traditional food would do sa Noche Buena natin. Like si Nick na dala niya last time. Tapos si Carly naman dala niya dessert.
Oh, I should cook beef curry to make a good impression.
Alam mo, mas prefer ko kasi curry mo. Pero mas masarap kasi talaga magluto kapatid mo eh.
Basta curry, magaling yan yung kapatid ko, si Kuya. Invite ko kaya si Kuya sa Noche Buena, tapos kami magluto ng curry.
Alam mo, feel ko kausapin muna natin si Nick and Carly.
Bakit? Kilala naman ni Carly yung kapatid ko eh. Mag-best friends nga sila eh.
Bare months kasi, alam mo naman pamilya ko, nagbabago kaluluwa pag bare months. Yung mga games, events, food, kailangan approve talaga nila. Lalo na tong si Nick, takot pa sa mga matatanda.
Mabait naman si Mama ah. Iba pa talaga yung ugali nila.
Mabait sila sa'yo kasi kilala ka na nila. Alam mo naman matatanda, may hilig sa chismis, sa passive aggression, and ang dami na nilang napagsabihan na hindi naman sumusunod sa kanila.
Grabe ka, sama mo sa pamilya mo.
Hindi mo lang alam.
Teka na, uwi na tayo. Gusto mo na magluto?
Hello? Ba't kayo napatawag?
Hi, James. Musta na?
Okay lang, okay. Tingin ko lang sa bahay.
Well, at least you're safe. Pala, I was meaning to ask what you're gonna bring for Noche Buena.
Hi James, musta na si Basta?
Ay ate, okay lang ako dito.
Oh, hey, Carly. Nice of you to join us. Nga pala, ikaw ba ulit sa dessert?
Sasabihin ko na lang sa'yo next. Ayoko na magdala ng dessert.
Pala, gusto magdala ng beef curry ng Maya. Gusto rin niya ma-invite kapatid niya.
Pardon me, pero wala ba ibang choice si Maya? Curry lang talaga?
Bakit?
Eh kasi naman dyan, alam mo naman yung mga matatanda. Di sila mahilig sa curry na yan. Amoy lang, ayaw na nila eh.
Ay nako, ito ka na naman sa matatanda. Ano na inis ako kay Nick, hindi ko recommend isama kapatid ni Maya. Bago pa lang sila sa pamilya, baka ma-overwhelm sila.
Kaya yan ni Maya at kuya niya. Kilala mo naman kuya nun eh.
Marami na rin kasi tayo this year. I guess might saturate the party.
Bigyan naman, maliit naman pamilya ni Maya. Tatla, natitira sa kanila, kuya ni Maya, partner niya, tas anak nila.
James, alam mo naman matatanda dito, hindi sinasabi na
Sige na, may appointment pa kasi ako pakasapos nito. Bale, let's have this conversation again. James, palutuin mo na lang si Maya ng traditional dish. At sabihin mo na pwede invite yung family members niya, okay?
Sige, tinatawag na ni Maya na kumain na.
Hi, ate! Uy, Maya! Kamusta ka? May dala akong pasalubong sa'yo galing Italy. Alahas to, maganda.
Wow, ate, ang ganda. Salamat. Sabi ni James, pwede naman kasama si Kuya, kaso nga lang, hindi pwede kami magluto ng curry. Ano bang pwedeng traditional na meal na okay kay Nick?
Actually, yun yung pag-uusapan natin. I want you to cook the curry with your brother and bring him to the gathering.
What's wrong with my brother's partner? He's a nice man.
The fact that he's a man. They criticized me because my partner was in the traditional marrying, which caused passive aggression last Christmas. What more from the religious elders? I'm just trying to protect you and your brother.
Would you rather not have him there?
Quite the opposite, actually. I realize that we need to leave behind this tradition of hate. We need to make a stand, but that would mean you'd be in the spotlight. Bring your brother's whole family and cook their curry, please. I will do my best to convince Nick. I want you to be strong for us, for the future.
Okay, sige, tatry ko.
Thank you, sis.
Pare, nakadating ka rin. Ang wifi isn't bad there.
Uy, James. Yeah, this company good enough Wi-Fi. Kahit ang hina ng signal around these parts usually.
I hope na it's okay to have a family Zoom call during our lunchtime.
I don't want to take too much of your time since I'm busy with other things. I'll keep it short. I think it's a great idea to push aside some traditions and let Maya's family attend the annual cruise Noche Buena with non-traditional dishes.
Wait. I think this conversation is over. I think it's to serve dishes for the family. What if they don't end up eating their dish? It will be rude to her brother.
No, you're watching out for the family, and I don't mind cooking traditional and non-traditional, honestly.
No need, Maya. Simple lang yan si Kangli. Pero she's setting you up to cook the dishes, so she doesn't have to contribute her share.
How dare you accuse me of something this petty?
May I remind you, Carl, this isn't your first time doing this. You tried this strict Christmas with other.
I swear to motherfucking God. I
Uy.
swear to God, Jane.
Bingi ka ba, Carly? Ba't ka sumisigaw? Ikaw naman, Nick, pumapatol ka pa. I think we should discuss the bigger picture here on whether her brother would be or wouldn't be allowed to attend.
Excuse me?
Carly informed me that you wouldn't invite my brother and his boyfriend because he's gay.
Kailan ko naman sinabi yun?
I know for a fact that you wouldn't want to upset your homophobic mother.
Really? I'm not against your brother's sexuality, okay? But I just don't want them to be uncomfortable around the other family members.
There you go again with the elders. Nautak kolonyal ka eh. Ano ka? Fraile noon? We can just cater to the elders constantly.
Wala ka bang pakit para sa ginagawa nila para sa atin? All we could do was to make the Noche Buena comfortable for everyone. What do you think would happen when the elders see your brothers? Mabubunga nga sila mga ng pamilya niya. You of all people should know this.
So we just tell her family, oh, we can't invite you because you're gay. What would that look like with Maya's family?
I understand both of you, but who are you both to assume what would happen in the event? You're fighting over this.
Maya, you have to understand that we know our parents more. We saw how they reacted to and it didn't follow their beliefs.
James is right. And besides, Carly just wanted the heat off her this year because she started dating a single father.
You have no right to disclose that information.
Huh? Ako pa talaga walang right? Gold
Oh, bakit
digger!
privacy ko eh? Ba't mo kailangan mo sabihin sa iba?
Gold
Ha?
digger!
Ano?
Hoy,
Bakit
umayos na
dapat
kayo.
gagawin yun?
Mute yung dalawa.
Kayo? You should not fight over this. It's the Christmas season. It's about togetherness. Why are you arguing and fighting over each other?
Everyone, I know all stressed about Noche Buena. We should still invite them regardless of intent. Dapat nga tayo yung mga magkakampi, di ba?
I'm sorry for having my emotions go unchecked, everyone. I'm alright with Maya's brother attending. Pagsasabihan ko na lang si nanay at tita, okay?
Same.
Thank you for understanding, Nick. We'll be leaving. Let's keep in touch na lang mamaya. So you guys could use the cool down naman. Sige. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Take care.
Uy, kamusta na? Sorry, abala-ba na dito tayo nagkikita. Kamusta na pala si tita?
Now that you mention her, she's still not over what she did during the holidays. Your passive aggressiveness is it's too good.
I know. Sorry talaga. Sorry. Ano kasi, ang weird niya magtanong ng mga ang uncomfortable niya magtanong sa kapatid ko. I just had to give a piece of my mind.
I know. That's why I came to apologize for how my family treated yours. Even so, the whole family loved your cooking. I also apologize for my tita's snide remarks about the smell.
Ah, talaga? It's okay. No worries. I'm glad na everyone enjoyed it.
I'm sorry for getting mad in front of you and James when we were planning this. I didn't consider your feelings in the matter.
Kulang ka ata ng sorry.
Uy, kulang ka rin sa sorry, Carly, ah.
Sorry sa attitude ko. Reality check talaga nung sinabi niyo. Nakakainis eh. Gusto ko ng pagbabago pero wala eh.
Wala talaga mababago. We need change. Umiiba na yung panahon eh. Pero, huwag naman yung kalimutan yung traditions.
Oh, yan. Wala kayong Pasko pag walang karaoke. Galing ko kayo kumalita.
Ay nako, nangangarap ka na naman. Pero tama naman si Maya. Hindi ko feel yung Pasko pag di tayo gumagawa ng mga parol kasama yung mga bata.
Wala na tayong magagawa sa matatanda. Hindi na yan magbabago. Kung meron man, matagal pa yun bago mangyari.
Pagsasabihan ko pa rin si Mom and Dad, hindi dapat ganyan ugali nila.
Hi, Carly. Ayaw mo lang ng chismis sa mga malitas na pamilya natin, eh.
Ikaw kanina ka pa.
Even if we don't change our parents, matanda na naman sila eh. We could end this horrible behavior and then teach the next generation to appreciate and embrace the tradition, but also respect one another. You know, umiiba na yung panahon eh.
I like that.
Hi, sana talaga.
Oo nga, parang gusto ko yun.
Yeah.